What's up, y'all? It is Lover by Nature, and welcome back to my channel. If you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware of new videos and posts that come out.
Gotta choose someone, and it must be her. She been here since day one. I guess I'm
at the So from the title, you will know that I am doing the I am lock tag, and I've actually been wanting to do this tag for a long time since I actually started locking my hair, but the videos that I seen were older videos, so I didn't want to do a lock tag and there still wasn't a lock tag going on, which I know that it probably still was, but I wanted like a more current and recent one. So I happened to stumble upon, her name is Ashley Honeywood. That is her YouTube channel, and I will actually link her video somewhere and put her information in the description box as well. She posted a video recently about her lock tag, and that was my first time actually finding her channel. And y'all, her hair looks amazing. Like, they're so chunky and they're gorgeous. Her locks are gorgeous. So I definitely decided to go ahead and do the lock tag following her. So let's just jump straight into it. It is 20 questions, but I'm gonna try not to make this video so long. Okay. Alright, so the first question is, do you remember the moment you decided you were going to lock your hair? Where were you and how did you feel? And by the way, I'm going to be looking down because I do have the questions in front of me. So the moment that I decided I wanted to lock my hair, that had to have been about 2-3 weeks after I had moved from North Carolina to Virginia. And I've tried to lock my hair previous years before. I've tried to lock my hair maybe 3 or 4 times. I would get to a certain point, comb them out, because I don't know, I just wasn't satisfied with my hair. I wasn't satisfied with my life. I wasn't satisfied with anything that was going on at that moment. So I would literally change my hair to accommodate my moods, basically. So once I moved to from North Carolina to Virginia with he was my boyfriend then, now he's my fiance. But yeah, once I moved, I realized that I felt secure and safe, basically, in all aspects of life. So I just felt like it was the moment. Like, number 2, what method did you use to start your locks? I used 2-strand twists, and I did them myself. How old are your locks? They are 8 months and 3 weeks. What is the length of your longest lock and the length of your shortest? I don't think I necessarily have a longer lock in comparison to my other ones, because all of them are pretty much the same. But I will say, I don't know which one is my shortest, but basically, like, these ones around here are shorter. My perimeter locks basically are shorter than the rest of my hair. And I don't know if you guys can see that. Do you have any special or unique locks? I think everybody's locks are unique and special in their own way, so I don't think I necessarily have anything that's unique or special about any of them. How many locks do you currently have? And this is the same that you started with. I don't know how many locks that I currently have right now. Maybe I will do a separate video just showing y'all me counting my locks, just a little short video of that. But it is not the same amount that I started with when what shampoo or products do you use? I don't have a certain special shampoo that I use or anything like that. I normally just use whatever shampoo that I can find that smells good, which I know that I'm going to have to end up doing a detox on my hair because I may have I'm pretty sure I have product buildup, but I plan on doing a detox for my 1-year mark. To do a detox shampoo, using not a detox shampoo, a clarifying shampoo. I think I am going to try that just to see how clean that makes my scalp feel. Then also, other products that I use is basically I just use oils and water in a spray bottle. And I have recently just started using rose water on my hair, so I want to see how that looks. And for this past month of so the duration of my 8-month lock journey, I have been using sea salt and water, and I wouldn't spray it every day because we know that sea salt strips out your hair and dries it out. But I have been using sea salt maybe like once a week, and because I've seen where some people say that sea salt helps your hair lock. I don't even know, to be honest. I might have to do a separate video with that, but let's just say the sea salt had my hair dry, which I knew that was going to happen. That's why I tried to oil it a lot, but it also had it itched a lot. And even when I washed it, I still felt like it was dirty. But I'm gonna do a separate video on that, but I don't use that no more. So right now it's just oils and water, and now rose water. How often do you wash them? I wash them whenever they need to be washed. Nah, but like, okay, I know some people say you're not supposed to wash your hair like that when you first start locking. I put my 2-strand twist in, maybe like a week and a half later, I was washing my hair. I didn't really have that much unraveling or anything. It was just my ends, but I already knew that was going to happen because of my curl pattern. So, but yeah, I would say if I had to put a time on it, I wash my hair every 2 weeks. Do you do regular maintenance? Yes. This past month I did interlock my hair, and I don't know how I feel about it. Let me just show you guys the parting systems. I don't know, y'all. I don't know how I feel about interlocking, which that's going to be another video as well. They say, you know, with interlocking, it helps your part stay longer, blah blah blah. But I feel like my hair is growing too fast for the interlocking, maybe. So I feel like my interlock didn't last that long. I think this is only going to be this is start of the 3rd week, maybe 2.5 weeks since I interlocked my hair, and I feel like it already looks a mess. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. I'm not sure, but I think I'm just gonna switch back to palm rolling, even though palm rolling doesn't last long. I don't know, y'all. I'm at a standstill. I'm not favorite beads or decorations. Normally I use like little beads that you put on little kids' hair sometimes, and that I'll be using in my daughter's hair. Sometimes I put it on my locks. Right now, I'm just rocking the seashells. I have 2 of them in here. If your locks had a motto, what would it be? It would be just chill, girl, just chill. And I say that to say, because sometimes I can be very uptight, and not uptight in a bad way, but like uptight where I want to get stuff done. I want things to go fast. And so with me locking my hair, I had to develop patience, which would explain the reason why I did not go through with my lock journeys before. I would always end up combing them out because I just felt like it was taking too long. But like I said, right now I feel like I'm stable, secure in life, in all aspects of my life. So right now I don't know, I'm okay with waiting. I do have my moments, and my fiance would tell you I do have my moments where I'm just like, I'm about to add some lock extensions, I cannot do this, blah blah blah. But even still, I have not added no lock extensions yet, and I don't think that I am. I know that I'm not actually. But yeah, I'm chilling right now. I would just say just chill, girl, just chill. Anything interesting to your appearance besides your locks? Again, with that question, the same as I said with the unique locks, everybody has something unique and different and special about their appearance. So I don't know, you guys tell me. If I could restart locks, what would I have done differently? Probably started them sooner. Have I ever been turned down because of my locks? No. How many people do I know personally that have locks? On my dad's side of the family, pretty much a lot of the women, I'm not going to say pretty much, but a lot of the women have locks. They either have traditional locks or micro locks. And I think a few people on my mom's side of the family, excuse me y'all, actually have locks as well that I've met. So a lot. How many people do I know personally that have locks? I could 10, probably more than that. I'm just guessing. What is the weirdest or dumbest or funniest question I've ever got asked about my locks? Can you wash them? Are they permanent? How do you wash them? Can you dye it? Just crazy questions like that. And I'm just like, y'all, it's hair. Hair is hair. same thing that you can do with your hair, I can do the same thing with my hair. Just like you comb your hair, I can not easily now, but I can comb these out. So basically it's the same thing. Whatever you do with loose hair, you can do it with locks as well. Have you had an embarrassing moment with your locks? No. Who are your lock role models? I would have to say Tykara Ann. I think I'm saying her name right. I will leave her information in the description box. Information in the description block as well. She actually has micro locks. And she's a young girl on YouTube as well. Even though she has micro locks, I love the way her locks look. Like, if I was to one day decide that later on down the road though, that I want to comb these out and do another lock set, I will definitely follow after her because her locks look really good, as well as her mom. She sometimes showcases her mom's locks on her channel as well, and her mom has micro locks as well. But their locks look so good. Yeah, definitely her, even though she has micro locks. I can't remember her exact channel name. I'm just gonna say Ellebell Royal or something like that, which I will leave her information in the description box as well. She has some very chunky locks, and if you look at her whole journey on YouTube with her locks, I feel like I could relate a lot to a lot of the stuff that she was saying about, you know, what was going on with her locks, how her locks were, how she felt about her locks, how she thought people viewed her, how I think her husband was, you know, how he liked her locks, like all that stuff. I can relate, and I love her locks now. So definitely her. Everybody loves Keshia Charmaine. I love the way her locks look. They look very well uniformed and everything. Her locks are super long, like down her back. I like her locks, but I would never let my locks get that long. No. And also Prettipoison. I started watching Prettipoison when I did like maybe my third set of locks, or maybe it was my second or third set of locks, and she started with micro locks basically did, and that's what I was mimicking after. It was not necessarily micro, it was like medium, like I said. And now she has recently combined them to make them chunkier now, whatever. And both sets, like, I love them. She's only 4 months into her combining this, you know, what she originally started off with. But when I say both sets look good, like, yes. And hers is super long too and thick and stuff. Like I said, I don't think I want to let mine get super long, but I love the way hers look as well. What lock YouTubers would you hang out with in real life? Probably, again, Tykara. I don't know if I'm saying your name right. I'm so sorry. But even though she's younger than me, I don't know, like, I can hang out with people that's younger than me, for one. And for two, she's very sweet. She seems very mature for her age. And she seems like very down to earth. And she, like I said, the people that I would probably want to hang out with is Tykara, because I don't know, she's down to earth. And she also likes to thrift. And I love thrifting. So that would be cool if we can do like a collab or something on, you know, just going to go thrifting and seeing what we find. That would be cool. And then also probably Prettipoison. She seems very chill. I'm very chill too. Like, I'm super chill. And she's about to be a mommy now, and I'm a mom, so I think we have a lot to relate. I have a lot that we can relate about. I don't know. I could probably hang out with anybody, to be quite honest. Like, if you meet my friends, you will see that I have a wide range of friends. Like, all of us are different, but somehow we all work. We all click. So I'm pretty sure I can hang out with anybody. And then the final question, who else would I tag? And I'm just gonna say anybody else that have locks. Basically, if you have locks, honey, then go ahead and do this tag. Whether you're a small YouTuber like me, or, you know, you're a big one like some of the other people, you should definitely just do it anyways, because, I mean, why not? Why not? But anyways, I hope you guys, why y'all like tell me this one is sticking up like alfalfa? Anyways, before we leave, I am going to go ahead and give you guys a 360 of these locks of mine. So this is how they are looking. I don't know, y'all. I think they're looking pretty good nowadays. But yeah, so that concludes the video of the I Am Loc tag. Like I said, if you have not already done so, make sure you subscribe to my channel, rate the video, leave me some comments, share the video, whatever you guys want to do. Send me emails, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. Whatever you guys feel like doing, I would greatly appreciate it. And stay tuned for the next video. New uploads are I'm trying to make them every Monday. And yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. See you guys later. Peace, love, and